our environment.
Okay. So number one, okay, let me recheck. Number one, do you have the answer? Number two, three.
Number one, we have done answers, and number two, we also have done the answer, and number three, and do you like tourists, and what place do you like?
Okay, yeah, yeah. Do you like tourism?
Yes,
Okay, did I give the
yes,
answer?
and yesterday we was discussing. We were discussing on
Discussing.
three. That's
Okay.
the three questions.
Number three, okay. Do you like tourism and what places do you like? Okay. So do you have the answer? Can you please read for me?
Mm,
Okay. Do you have the answer?
That's do you like tourists and what place do you like? Actually, I appreciate tourists and I like tourist spots a lot. I uh, I appreciate tourists and I like tourist spots a lot. And I want go to and I want go to place we queen of diverse culture background and we showcase the inner beauty of our environment.
Okay, so here. So the question is, do you like tourism? What places do you like? Okay, this is the question. Your answer, please read like this. I appreciate tourism and I like tourist spots a lot. I want to go places which will offer diverse cultural background and will showcase the inner beauty of our environment. Okay, please read again. Diverse. Miss Huyen, diverse. It means diverse all. All. Okay, please
Okay,
read it
and I
again.
think that's and I think I have some idea for three questions.
Okay, at least. Oh, you have the idea for the three questions. Okay.
That's
You have the idea.
I want to display. I want to display my idea.
Okay, go.
I like tourists. I like tourists very much. I like tourists very much, and I want to I want to go to beach
Beach.
beach beach which had a small waves. Waves.
Okay.
Can you understand waves?
Waste. This one.
Waves.
That one.
Waves. That's waves. No, 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 no.
Ah, waves. It's waves. Waste. This is waste
Waves.
and waves. Waves. Okay.
Which I want to go to the beach. The beach where have a small waves.
To go to the beach.
Con này, tắt quạt đi, hỏng hết hoa của mẹ rồi. Anh ơi, hỏng hết hoa của em.
And I want to go
I
to the
want to the
beach.
beach which have a small waves and the current is not that too strong.
I want to go to the beach. Sorry. I want to go to the beach.
Yes, I want I want go to the beach.
I want to go. I want to
Outside.
go to the beach, which has small waves and the current is not that too strong. Okay, current of the waves. It means the waves, the current.
That's I want to go. That's I want to go to. I want to go to the beach, which has a small waves and the current either not that too strong.
Okay. Next question. Oh, that's okay. That's okay for number 3. That's okay for number 3. Okay, you want to add
Uh,
more?
I think I think the topic is either easy.
It's
It's
easy.
easy, so I can I want to talk I want to talk more about the topic to get the teacher's score.
Oh, yes, correct, correct. Okay, go, go, go. Okay, number 4. Okay. So what are necessary skills for the holiday? Do you have like this?
Con ơi,
Do we have this topic?
sorry.
Okay. Okay,
Okay,
so
and number 4
mhm.
and number 4 question, and what are necessary skills for the holiday?
Okay, what do you think? Do you
Kiểm
have
tra mẹ chưa
answer
kiểm
for
tra đâu?
do you have answer for this?
Không mang ra ngoài đây kiểm tra cho con thoải mái.
Miss Soyan, do you have answer for this?
Idea. The question is uh, mm, the question is have a have other idea for this question, right?
Do you have idea or not yet?
Okay, and what are necessary skills for the holidays?
Mm-hmm.
I think I need to prepare the steerable clothes, and we need that, and we need to check the weather in that in advance.
Okay, can you please copy your answer in here so I can check? Okay. So I have also something to
That
add. I will add something.
that I think we need to check the weather in that in advance, and
Yes,
then
correct. That's correct.
we need to just and then we need to prepare the clothes, the sewable clothes.
Okay, the clothes,
The
the weather.
sewable
You have to check the clothes.
clothes. And need to I need we need to prepare and we need to prepare the a sewable clothes clothes.
Yes. Okay, I wrote something here like
That
the
and
weather.
aside we need to prepare some useful things such as UVC cream UVC
Mm,
cream UV cream
the UV cream.
UV creams and a big hat
The big.
to that's a big hat to avoid the side of the sun and some medicine some medicine. Hôm qua mẹ in bài cho con đưa cho bố kiểm tra đi. Để hôm qua con làm xong hãy đưa bố kiểm tra đi, mẹ chưa kiểm tra đâu.
Like
Đấy.
needed for your holiday, like the weather, the clothing. And other is
Con không quen không?
okay, this one. Please check.
The necessary skin for holiday is planning. You have to plan before and beforehand on the things that's needed for the holiday, like the weather, the clothing, and other necessities, and also the hotels to stay with. And most important is the
Itinerary.
itinerary. Itinerary.
The itinerary, so
Itinerary.
we can, so we'll be able to.
Itinerary. So we will be able to know where to go exactly every day.
That one. Okay, please add that one and try to study. Okay.
Okay, and let's. I will try again. Try again to and I will
Okay,
try
yes,
again
yes.
to
Okay,
answer
I will
this
ask
question.
question. I will ask questions. Okay. Number
Okay.
4. Number 4, right? Number 4. What are necessary skills for the holiday, Miss Huyen?
I think the necessary skills for holiday is planning. You have to plan beforehand on the things that needed for the holiday, like the weather, the clothing, and other
Necessity.
necessities, and also the hotels to stay with, and most important, either the itinerary, itinerary. So we will be able to know where to go exactly every day.
Okay, yes. That's okay. Do you know the word itinerary?
An account or record of a journey. A guidebook for travelers. Itinerary.
Okay.
Itinerary.
Okay, itinerary. It is the, do you know itinerary?
Of the journey.
Itinerary means what you are going to do every day. That's very important also.
That's I know.
meaning.
Itinerary is the itinerary is mean.
Yes.
Itinerary.
Yes, yes, yes.
Itinerary. The necessary skill for holiday is planning. You have to plan beforehand on the things that needed for the holiday, like the weather, the clothing, and other necessities, and also the hotels to stay with. And most important is the itinerary, so we will be able to know where to go exactly every day.
Okay, where to go exactly? Exactly.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
every day. Okay, yes, exactly. Okay.
Exactly. Every day. Okay.
Yes, yes. Necessary. Necessary.
Necessaries.
It's necessary.
Necessary skills. Necessary skills.
The necessary skills. The necessary skills.
Necessary skill.
That's correct, Miss Huyen. Okay. Is planning. Okay. So you will say that one. Okay. So.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to add more about this, you can add. And please tell me what is your sentence. Okay. If you want to add more.
I think it is enough for the question, and we need to check the number 5 questions.
Okay. What's number 5?
And
number
and
5.
yesterday I have done the 5 questions right. And what are the best way to invest time?
Okay, so I already given you what are the best ways to invest time. Can you please read?
Mm, I think the best way to invest my time, it is invest my time with my house by eating well, exercising regularly, getting plenty of sleep, and studies my life, attending my precious time with my family.
Okay. So, sorry, Miss Wien, that share. It's not shy tea. Sorry, I mistake when I wrote it. It's share. Yeah, sorry. Okay, it is share. Okay, proactively. Okay, that's proactively. Wait, sorry. Okay, that's proactively. I invest my time with my health by eating well, exercising regularly, getting,
Exercising.
exercising regularly, getting plenty of sleep, and share my life, extending precious
My
time with my
life,
family.
spending precious time with
With
my
my
family,
family. Okay.
plenty of sleep, and share my life, attending previous time with my family.
Yes.
As I now, I use all my time. I use all my time to learning English and to
Okay. I
learning
use,
to learn English.
okay. I use all my time to learn English. Don't say to learning. To learn English.
Yeah.
Okay.
To learn English. I
Mm.
use all my time to learn English and try my best to improve my English skill. I hope I hope I can have I can help my children to learn English, and so I English in the future. So I practice speak English. I practice speaking English every day.
Okay. So I can practice, or you can say this one. So I can put all my writing into speaking every day. All right. So I can practice English speaking skills every day. You can say that one. Okay. Again, Miss Huyen. Okay. So please let me hear. Okay. Once again.
Um, I think the best ways to invest my time. Uh, it is no, I need to invest my I think I need to invest my time with my health by eating well, exercising regularly, and getting plenty of sleep, and stress my life attending precious time with my family,
Mm.
and plenty of sleep, and share my life attending previous time with my uh some problem. Oh, the economy. Um, uh, and 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 now and I and now I used I used all my time to learn English, and I'm trying my best to improve English skill, because I hope I win. I win. I can. I win.
I hope
I will have enough
I will have enough
um ability
knowledge or ability.
knowledge. Uh, I will have enough the knowledge in English to have my children learning English in the future.
Okay. So your sentence is correct. Okay. So that I am trying my best to have enough knowledge to learn
Mm.
English for my children in the future. Okay, I will write. You want me to write?
That's I write the on my time. Let me write. Let me write. Let me write.
Yeah, yeah.
I use on my time to
Okay,
I
please write
invest
here. Yeah.
I invest on my time to learn English, and I'm trying to improve English skill because I hope I hope I will have enough the knowledge
Okay.
the knowledge have enough the knowledge in English to help my children learning English in English in the future. That's right and correct. Knowledge, no. Knowledge is not correct.
Okay, let me see. Mhm. Okay, so I have also here, I try to revise your answer. You can also use this one, okay? That one. The same with what you have.
Okay, and I can use the answer to invest my time to learn it and try my best to have more than enough knowledge for my children in the future. And in such a way, I can have them improve their English too. And I think that's the okay. And I will use the sentences uh, to answer teacher's question in the next exam.
Okay,
And
yes, yes.
now I need to
To read.
to answer again
Okay, okay, okay.
for
I will ask. I
the
will ask.
that
I will ask.
for the five question. Okay.
Yes, yes, sure. Okay, number 5, Miss Wian. What are the best ways to invest your time?
Proactively. Okay. Proactively. Okay. For
Proactively.
the
Proactively.
uh proactively.
Mm.
Proactively. Okay. Proactively, I invest my time with my health by eating well, exercising regularly, getting plenty of sleep, and shares my life attending previous time with my family, and I invest my time to learn English, and I am trying my best to have more than enough knowledge for my children in the future, and in such a way I can help them improve their English too.
English too. Okay, so that's enough answer.
True.
That's enough answer.
Mm.
That's good enough.
Okay, and I think it's enough for the number 5 question,
Okay,
and
that's oh yeah.
we can we can next the number 6 question. Okay.
Yeah. What is the
What
role
is
of
the
gold in the
role in life and in the economy?
Okay, what do you think? Do you have answer?
That's what is the role in life and in the economies. No, on my opinion, the goal is the help them either help us to save money to save
Yeah.
that to save money.
Okay.
To save money and
Okay.
have to let vocabulary.
Yeah, you tell me your answer and then I will improve your
Balance and
You
I
tell
think
me your
and I
answer.
think
You tell me your
yes,
answer and
and
I will improve. I will improve your answer. Let us see. Because
okay.
yeah, Miss Oyen, the answer number 5, I am happy because the sentence construction is correct. Your sentence construction is correct. Very good. But then I will just improve. But the sentence construction, I understand your thought. That's very good. I understand what you say. Okay, that's very good.
Yeah.
So please give me your answer about gold and I will try to help you. Okay, go. I have also my idea.
Okay. Now let me answer. Let me answer and present my idea in advance. Okay.
Go, 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 go. What is your idea
Actually,
about gold?
I have no many idea for this question, but I will try my best to answer your question.
Yeah.
The
You write
role
it.
of gold
Please write it.
and
Write
I
it.
think the role of gold in the life and the economy is the role of gold is a happy and I think the role of gold is a happy to help us to save money, to save money to
Yeah,
save
of
money
course.
and that and the and we aside we can use the girl to give the other for as a gift in in their important their important important event
Okay, it gives us money, of course.
such as wedding, such as wedding, promotion. Okay, and understanding the role of gold in the economy is essential for anyone investing in precious metals.
It's a precious metal. Yeah, it's a precious metal.
That's and I think girl have their own way how a significant place in the global economy and serving as what symbols of wealth and a valuable financial assets.
Of course. Yeah, it's valuable. Gold is valuable. Okay, where is your answer?
Girl has why the gold has the right earned its place throughout history as one of the most valuable metal.
Yes, correct.
And I think we need we can earn money through buying gold.
Yes, of
To buy
course.
gold. Because as you know now the gold the values, the pricing, the price of gold, the price of gold had increased very very high,
Yes, yes.
very high.
It is
That's all. I have no idea for the question, and I'm
gold
waiting for you.
is having gold in the economy is really playing a very important factor. Okay, so I have here my idea. I wrote it in the paper, and then let's see, having asset. It is actually a very precious gem. It's valuable, tangible asset, and a precious gem.
Stand to
Mm.
agree their girl home.
If you have gold, of course, it will provide you security and stability. Of course, you will get rich if you have gold.
Reduce internet for complex solely conversation.
Okay. Okay, that one.
Oh, that's the only. Okay, I know.
Okay, yes. I will read the question and please read that one. Okay, wait me, ha. Okay, number 5,
Okay.
number 6. What is the role, Miss Huyen, of gold in life and in economy?
Mm, I think everyone knows the value of gold, and aside from its literal sign and symbolic square, gold plays a very important role in the economy, and it is recognized as safe haven asset, tangible asset, and a precious gem. It is valuable that it provides set security and stability to a person, and people will get rich if they invest girl.
Yes. Is it true, right? It's true. Okay, so here I will read, Miss Huyen, please listen as I read. Aside from its literal shine and symbolic wealth, gold plays very important role in the economy. It is recognized as safe haven asset, a tangible asset, and a precious gem. It is valuable that it provides security and stability to a person. People will get rich and if they invest gold. Okay, again, please read.
And aside from its ritual style and symbolic wealth, gold plays very important role in the economy. It is economy, and it is recognized as a safe haven asset, a tangible asset, and
Tangible. It's tangible. Tangible.
tangible asset.
Yeah, correct.
And
Tangible.
precious, yeah, tangible. And it is valuable that it provides security and stability to a person, and people will get rich if they invest gold.
Yes, of course. They will get rich if they will invest gold. It provides provide security and stability. Okay, it provide security and stability. Okay, stability. Okay, invest. If you invest gold, you will get rich.
Invest.
Okay, how about
Invest.
Miss Hoyan? Do you have a lot of gold? Okay,
Mm.
by the way, in Vietnam, is gold expensive or cheap?
Oh, I have no annual.
You don't like gold? I mean jewelry, like the
No.
gold's jewelry.
No, because I have no money. I get married when I get married, and many people such as my mother, my father, and my mother-in-law or my sister-in-law, and they give me many much gold.
Mm.
They give me much gold, but when I bought this house, when I bought this house, uh, I I and my husband need to buy all my own to 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 buy on my own to use the money to buy this house.
Oh, wow. At least your house is investment. It's from the gold. But my question, is it expensive to buy a gold jewelry in Vietnam? Is it expensive to buy a
Yes,
jewelry?
the gold. That's gold is expensive, and now, as you know, now the price of gold uh, have increased, have been increasing every day.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, it's increasing actually, yeah. They said gold will never depreciate. You know, depreciate? Depreciate. It means it will never lower the
Mm.
price. Depreciate,
That's
never lower the price.
never low price.
Yeah,
That's all.
depreciate.
Decrease. I don't know what that it mean. Let me change.
Wait.
That's
Yeah, depreciate.
yes.
It means it will never diminish.
Yes.
It will never lower the price. Okay, that's gold. Because gold will
That
become high and high.
and the goal you mean the goal is never depreciates, right?
Yeah. Yeah, gold never depreciates. Yeah. Gold never depreciates. That's it. Okay, that's the fact of having gold. It never depreciates.
The goal is never
Gold never depreciates.
yes.